morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How we all doing today? What's up, Wasim? What's up, Just Ain't Right? What's up, Muffin? What's up, Amin? What's up, Chaz? What's up, Amit? Yeah, we brought back the Call of Duty music. Some of the music I've been playing, we've been getting copyrighted, which is not good, so we had to delete the songs from the VODs and stuff. But these Black Ops ones and Call of Duty, we don't get copyrighted, so it's pretty nice. We can play it for free. What up, Beyond Limits? Hey, great job, Tommy. Hey, Tommy's starting the year right. He got like 12 grand in payouts now. Good job, Tommy. Yeah, we gotta get the COD classes going, everyone. What's up, internet? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, Luis. Yep. How we doing, Gabriel? What's up, internet? Boom. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Dave? What's up, Sam? What's up, Tahootie? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, guys, we had we went over 3 yesterday. It was a really choppy day. No, well, not choppy. It was like a fake out city. We were literally faking out like crazy. Yeah, guys, MyFundedFutures dropped that new plan. It's called like the Flex plan. What I don't like is they just keep getting rid of plans and then adding a new one and getting rid of plans. But the Flex plan, I'm looking at it, it's literally like the core plan, but with bigger payout caps. Bigger payout caps. Let me look at it. No consistency in the funded. No daily loss limit. And then you can upgrade your funded account the same day. So like if you pass like today, for example, Pronto's crying. If you pass today, you could activate it today and trade it the same day. So it seems like it's literally like the core plan and bigger payout caps. So I mean, I don't know why they didn't just add it to the core plan for like an extra add-on. No, we got the cat. What's up, Alicia? Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, it's literally like the same thing as the core plan. I'm literally looking at it. It's literally like the same thing. So I don't know why they got rid of the core plan. I don't know. They could have just added that add-on for like an extra $10. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a little rise in price. But I mean, you get 2 grand payout. I mean, an extra 2 grand to payout cap if you want. So I mean, you can have what, 550K accounts, 5 grand each after the fees. I mean, that's a 20 grand payout. I mean, but let's be realistic. Are we realistically gonna hit 10K balance on a 50K account? Some people will, obviously, but realistically, for most people, they're not gonna hit that. It's really hard to hit a 10 grand balance on a 50K account. You'd have to size up quite a bit or have the accounts for a very long time. Yeah, Beyond Limits, they love that 90% off. Hey, when you hear the 90% off for the 100th time, like, oh my gosh, dude, we got 90% off. Let's go. Yeah, maybe that's why, Luis, they got rid of the core plan. It was like to create a bunch of like controversy or get everyone to like watch it or get worried. Because everyone was going batshit crazy on X. And I was like, I opened X, I saw that going crazy, and everyone was like talking shit, blah, blah, blah. I was like, oh, no, I'm done with it. But I mean, the flex plan is literally like the core plan, just a little more money and bigger payout caps. It's literally like the same thing. Yeah, it's kind of like that top set route, Lucid, Alpha, the Tradeify 5-day plan. It's like that 5-day top set plan where you just need 5 winning days. Well, you guys see that big pop right there? That was a big pop. What's up, Jasmine? Yeah, internet. I think they should have just had an add-on, honestly. But I don't know, maybe make more hype. I don't know. Maybe that's like a kind of like that incentive, I guess. And people had like the fear incentive yesterday when they got rid of the core plan. I don't know. Day, yeah, I kind of stopped back testing. I kind of just trade now whenever, but I used to back test. I try to back test like at least 3 to 4 times a week, but then I don't know. I kind of got tired of it. I was like, all right, this shit works, whatever, or this shit doesn't work, and then I just trade my accounts. Yeah, Luis. Yeah, let's be realistic. Like, how many people are gonna hit a 10 grand balance on a 50K account? Is it doable? Yes. Is it hard? Absolutely. There's few people that would do it, but realistically, for the majority of people, they won't get there. I never got a 50K account to that high, I think. I got it pretty close on those expert accounts. I got them to like 7 grand or something. Yeah. Internet. I love that Tradovate, and then they also do like Quantower and Rithmic. I don't like that frickin' Top Step X. Rare Charizard Dreamers? Hall for trailing drawdown, I usually take like smaller winning plays or trailing my winners, because obviously if you are in a big winning play, you want to try and let it run, right? And you're just trailing your winner and stuff like that. And take your smaller winning plays. It's harder, but it's definitely doable. We did it on these accounts. See, like we just can't hit these accounts hit 0, and we still have them. Guys, we got faked out hard yesterday, so I don't know, because we don't have news today. And we have news Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's when I'm expecting the big moves to happen. So that's what we're expecting. Monday and Tuesday might have some chop. And yesterday we faked out like crazy. And we literally turtle souped our own strategy. We literally got turtle souped. Yeah, people are like going crazy on the Apex. Like 90% off. Yeah, that's cheap, $20. But dude, on the... I think it's like $75 let me look on their Discord. $75 activation fee for the 25 and 100K accounts per account. And then the 150K and 300K accounts are $135 fee per account. That's where they get you on the activation fees. And then people are like, oh, Apex 50K account, $20. But then you gotta pay $75 activation fee. Then you gotta do all the rules. You gotta do all the headache, trailing drawdown. Like, it's literally the same price as, like, MyFundedFutures account, Lucid, Tradeify. And you get end-of-day drawdown, you know? Like, no activation fee. I mean, even Top Step, $90, no activation fee. I don't know. Yeah, Top Step, $89. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, $89. Nice, Gabriel. Great job, Gabriel. Luis, I do simple stuff, just breakouts, break and retest, bounce plays, and going with the trend. All with price action and levels. I can kind of maybe explain it. Like right now, we're kind of going on a downward trend. I would maybe look for I would look for a breakout, honestly, to the downside. We made a big rip up, but then we consolidate. Same thing, we consolidate at this top area, and then it looks like it's making its way down, staircasing down. So, at the moment, I would look for a short. But, like I said yesterday, we got faked out hard. We looked for a breakout short, and we got wrecked. Hey, what up, Garb? Look what the cat dragged in. Well. Yeah, we do have a humpback whale forming right here. We got his top fin. Here's his body right here. This is his tail formation. This is his tail, body. Yeah, we got a whale formation. Yeah, Luis, exactly. The problem, internet. Alicia, yeah, that's where they get you a lot of people too. You have to trade 8 days too, and 5 of them need to be profitable. And you got to deal with the 30% consistency rule, trailing drawdown, the MAE rule. A lot of people are getting caught on that one. The 30% MAE rule. Like I said, I personally only recommend Apex if you're trading minimum 10 accounts with them, copy traded or something. Minimum, ideally 15, 20, if I'm being realistic, because you can get 5 accounts with like MyFundedFutures, Top Step, Tradeify, Lucid. You know, you can get 5 accounts with them, and then if you want to get 10 accounts, you could just copy trade them and get 5 accounts each. That's just my thoughts. And you don't have to deal with less rules and trailing drawdown you don't have to deal with. So think about it like a mental perspective as well. Like, hey, is it worth me going through this mental stress of all these rules, trailing drawdown? Are they going to ask me to send me a video of me trading? The mental aspect is what gets a lot of people too. Sorry, Sam. Yeah, with Apex, it's either a love or hate relationship. There's no in between. You either love that firm or you hate it. Tommy, yeah, if you're getting consistent payouts, yeah, like keep stacking more payouts with your top step, and then yeah, then you can scale from there. That's how you grow as like a business. Yeah, Alicia, it does take a long time, 8 trading days. Bands, yeah. What's up, Trader Bob? Thanks for joining in, brother. Wingle. The seagull wing strat. Luis, I'm using the Tradovate copier, but if I'm copy trading numerous firms, like 2 firms at a time, I'll use Tradesyncer. Beyond limits. Yeah, we're shorting this whale. I mean, it's moving pretty slow, but it's kind of got a direction. Like, it's not moving that fast, but it's kind of got a downward direction at the moment. But yeah, guys, we're going to be a little more cautious going in today, because yesterday, same thing. No news. Today, no news. And guess what? We got clapped. We can't let that happen. We got to get our lick back. What's up, Michael? Yeah, Tommy, yeah, there's no need to rush. I mean, you're already at, like, what, 12 grand in payouts for freaking January? That's an amazing start, man. Honestly. Just keep those accounts live and try and get as much payouts as you can, and then, hey, you get, like, 1 to 2 more payouts? Yeah, use that money to cover the expense of a new firm. Amara, I personally haven't had any problems, but some people have. But when I use them, I personally haven't had any problems. Yeah, FOMC is tomorrow. I think it's at 11 PST. Yeah, we got news tomorrow, 11 a.m. FOMC, then FOMC press conference, 11:30. We got Jerome Powell on deck. Then we got unemployment claims on 5:30 a.m. PST on Thursday, and then PPI on Friday, 5:30. So that's when I'm expecting the bigger moves. Like, Trump is speaking today at 1 o'clock, but it's an orange folder, and it's end of day, so we're going to be done by then anyways. So if you're trading around that time, just be a little cautious. Yeah, I like Tradesyncer. I like it because you can have numerous connections. And people with, like, Top Step X, you can still copy trade them, which is nice. Great job, Tommy. Tommy, you got the 50K accounts? How many do you have? It's pretty good, man. Honestly, good job, Tommy. No, Gabriel, we don't. We don't fall for it. CPI. That'd be pretty bad. Yeah, Luis, it's like 9 a.m. for me, so I'm like, I've been awake for like 2.5 hours. Orange folder. Hey, careful, guys, it's an orange folder. We got a gray folder coming up. Alright, we gotta do 5 and then 15 seconds. Yeah, Day, it's a love-hate relationship. But tomorrow, I'll start same time, 9 a.m. Alright, we got a new 5-minute. Well, guys, it's falling bearish at the moment. And if it breaks, particularly this level, this 26,040, I'm expecting a big move down. I mean, this is a big gap. This is like, what, 100 points? 50, 100 points? Over 100. Yeah, I'm thinking if it breaks, especially particularly if it breaks this level, which it wicked down below, and then it's particularly if it breaks this, I'm expecting a nice big move down. Nice, Tommy. Yeah, Jerome's Jerome's speaking tomorrow, 11 to 11:30 a.m. FOMC Wednesday. What's up, Anas? Good morning, Robert. Good morning, everyone. Life of Laos, it happens, man. But you got 180 to 50%. That's good. Internet is back. The OG. Alright, it's kind of bouncing right here. I want to see where it wants to go. But yeah, guys, I do not really want to force anything today. If we see a setup, we'll take it, obviously. But like I said, we got to be a little more cautious. DeBron? No, I don't. The payout's all your money. The only time I get a commission is if you buy the account using my code Casinator. And then he's like, hey, congratulations. You got the job. Pens fan, we need to get this to a $2,000 balance. So we're like $635 away. And then we can request anything over that daily. So if we somehow hit it today, we could get a payout today. But like I said, is it realistic? Probably not. We're just gonna take like I said, we're gonna take what the market gives us. DeBron, thanks for using my code, man. Yeah, that payout's all yours, guys. That would be sick if, yeah, that would be pretty cool. John, I haven't watched it yet. I gotta watch it. I watch it with my girlfriend. We watch it at night, eating dinner. It's a great show, John. Folks at home. Yeah. Yeah, I love his videos. Guys, if you like bass and like pond wildlife, you gotta watch Bama Bass on YouTube. You got a 5-acre pond. It's literally like it's like a mini lake. I mean, that's the size of some lakes. Yeah, John, that's pretty sick. Dude, he's got some big bass. Rosie? Hey, yeah, that's the time to watch in. Get some like a hot cocoa or something, and just like chill, watch. Michael, that's like you can have like overall, yeah, you can have even more. They have like add-ons where you can have like 150, 200 accounts. It depends, like, with the propfirms, like, you could have 20 Apex, 5 Top Step, 5 TakeProfitTrader, and then it just adds up like that. Trader Bob, yeah, I watch Greg Blanchard. He's pretty cool. He fishes the Delta a lot. I like how he does kayaks. He's a cool dude. Internet? Oh, I might have to check it out. Turn. Guys, I've been watching. I'm on season 3 of Tulsa King. I just started season 3. I was like, whatever. I'll check it out. Dude, I got hooked on the first episode. I was like, damn, this is a good show. Tulsa King, guys, with Sylvester Stallone. Great show. All right, looks like it's coming back up here. I'm worried about it might be a reversal now, because it bounced up here. It didn't come back down this lower level. Kind of just bounced right here and it making a higher low right here. So gonna be cautious for a reversal. Bill bands, I think so. After 5, the risk team will contact you. I think, yeah, it's a 90% split, and then it should be daily payouts. Nice, Michael. That's a great goal, man. That's a lot of accounts. It's like 40 accounts. You can do it, Michael. One day at a time. Ruzy, yeah. I mean, $20 is cheap for the 50. Look at that big green candle coming in. Damn. Yeah, $50. I mean, $20 is cheap, but they just get you on the activation fees. Michael, from in turn. Gotta write this stuff down. From turn. And then we can bookmark that. Dave, yeah, my dad watches that. My dad's on the East Coast. He said he watches Landman. He's the one that told me about Tulsa King. Tulsa King's a great show. And yeah, he said he's watching Landman, Dave. New Mobland? Damn, we got some good shows. Trump is speaking? Maybe that's why there's a big candle. Yeah, guys. Yeah, Mike. Yeah, we're learning the turtle strat. We counteracted our own strategy yesterday. Nice, Rizzy. Yeah, you get... That's the thing, guys. Like, people ask... Especially if this is your very first payout. If you get there, that's a great job. I would take the full payout if it's your very first payout. It's a great feeling. You get your money back. Majority, I don't know how much you spent on propfirms, but you're going to get your eval, your activation fees back. Lock in the payout. You'll feel really good about yourself and just take the payout. So people ask me, oh, do you build a buffer? Build a buffer. If it's your very first payout, take the full max. The max you can get. Trust me. Because there's many stories happened to me where, oh, we had a payout locked in or something, and I wanted to get more, or I wanted to build a bigger buffer, and then they ended up losing it, going on tilt. It can happen really quick, guys. You never know. His and hers, it sounds familiar. Ruzy, yeah, start slow. Ox Addicts, I'm good, buddy. I'm good. Thank you. South Korea. Ox, sorry, buddy. You gotta... Oh, man. Avatar. I used to watch Avatar when I was younger. Yeah, guys, I'm not into anime. A lot of people ask me if I'm into anime. I don't watch anime. My brother loves anime. I don't hate anime. I just don't watch it. No, I haven't been to Love Victoria. Garv, no, we're staying cash at the moment. I was looking for a short entry, but that was a big reversal right here, and didn't really like that for a short. Yep. Frappuccino, it depends on your plan, but yeah, connection is like the profirm. So if you could have like 4 connections, you could have up to 4 profirms connected at a time. And then multiple accounts, yeah, you can have the accounts on the connections. What's up, Josh? Good morning, brother. Paris for Top Step, I know if you take your payout, like let's say you take it early, like let's say you take it at $1,000 profit and you only take like a $500 payout, you will only have $500 left to work with. So after your first payout, whatever your balance is after, you just can't let it hit 0 or something. 0 or 100, I'm pretty sure it's 0, because Tops is pretty good on that, I think. TakeProfitTrader is also 0. I think the other firms are plus 100. But then after your first payout, you can't let it hit 0. So if you had a 150K account and you took a $500 payout, you have like $4,000 less to work with. So just be wary about that on your first payout. Mike, now we're focusing on other firms. We got these. Josh, just, I mean, whatever you're comfortable with. If it's your first payout, like I said, I would just take the full thing, honestly, especially if it's your first payout. Like, people are like, oh, let me build a buffer or something, but I don't know. Top Step, you do have to worry about, because like I said, it depends what your balance is. Like, if you have a 50K account and you're at $2,000 balance, then you gotta take the full payout because the drawdown will stop. So you just can't let it hit 0. What's up, Tayway? Yeah, guys, if it's your very first payout, yeah, take the full payout. Yeah, like Internet said, Bushido, you could trade micros to get it back up. So you could still have the accounts alive, and you could still survive them, and you locked in the full payout. I mean, take the payout, guys. Michael, one day at a time, just keep grinding with that one pro account. Keep trying to take daily payouts, and then once you get like good amount of payouts, then yeah, use that money, your payout money, to reinvest more accounts. That's how you like grow and scale. That's my plan with these accounts. I'm trying to get them back to the buffer, trade micros, 5 micros, and just try and get like base hits and then stack daily money coming in. But we've been on a little drawdown lately, but it's okay. We can get it back. Yeah, Dabda, that's what I was expecting too, so thank you for that. Yeah, guys, it might be a slower afternoon today because, like I said, we have no news today and tomorrow. I mean, yesterday, and we got clapped yesterday. We got clapped, but we managed our risk very well. I was watching the trades. I think we managed it very well. We were only risking like 10, 11 points each. Nothing. So we gotta be a little cautious going today. Only see if I see an A+ setup, I'll take it. What's up, FL? Thanks for tuning in. Alicia, I don't think you can. I don't know what's the rule with that. I know you can take anything daily, but I don't know if they... I'm not sure if you can. I don't think so. What's up, BDWX? Good seeing you again, brother. No trades yet today, Perp. No trades yet. We are staying cash. We're being more cautious going into today. We have a new 5-minute candle in 30 seconds. But yeah, we're going more cautious than today because of this chop. Yeah, guys, if anything, if we stay cash today, I'm pretty content with that, honestly, because we got the news coming this week, so we want to preserve our capital and we do not want to lose more. Hey, great job, Orlando. Great job, man. Congratulations. Yeah, you get that payout, and you get some. TakeProfitTrader has like that credit bank system, which I like. I keep forgetting they have that. They're like the only one with it. Guys, you can have a credit bank system, and then if you over time with buying accounts and getting payouts and stuff, you can get free accounts and resets. It's pretty nice. Parish, if you take 50% of payout at 3K, that's a $1,500 payout, and then you just can't let it hit zero. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, Parish, I would take the full payout, honestly, if I were you. That's just my opinion. Gabriel, kind of like consistently where price is tapped off of. Consistently plays, taps off of bottoms and tops of wicks. Like right here, kind of like formed. See, like this is the top of this big candle, formed a bottom right here of these bottom 4 candles right here. So I would consider this like a somewhat of a bigger level for me. That's why I was saying if it does break it below it, I would see a big gap down to the downside and kind of like reject it off here a little bit too. So that's where I get that one. Tommy, no, I freaking blew those on Thursday. I put out my vlog. I forced it that day. Shouldn't have done it. But I might get back with them soon again. I wanna get some payouts again first and then use that money. My alpha accounts, guys, I had 3 winning days. Yesterday I just flipped $200. So I need my alpha accounts, I need 2 more winning days. And I need to get it to like a $2,200 balance because of the consistency rule. And then I can get a payout. So that's the plan. Thank you, Salim. Yeah, we got to practice discipline. Yeah, Dob. That is most likely the case. Shino, yeah, it happens, man. That's why I always like to do. Yeah, just a big lesson. Just hit exit at market and close all, guys. If you're done trading on the day on Tradovate, just hit this. You know, just double check, make sure everything's closed. So, because sometimes you'll have like an order still active, like a sell or buy order, and you do not want to. You don't want to have that mistake happen. No problem, Parish. Dabda, yeah, exactly. That's the idea, guys. Yeah, you guys start slow. Crawl, walk, run. I like that. So, guys, you start slow. Get like 1 account. Try and get familiar with it, with the trading platform, especially your first time. Get comfortable trading. Get used to the firm. Get used to the rules. Do all that stuff, and then if you do good and you get a payout, yeah, go from there. Then you can slowly start to scale, and that's how you just grow. You don't just go randomly balls deep, like, hey, let me get 100 accounts, copy trade them all, and try and get a massive payout, right? You don't do that. You gotta start slow. It's like if you have a personal account, you're not just gonna fund it with like 100 grand, 200 grand, and then start ripping 10 minis. You know. Yeah, Tommy, it's all good. No, I'll get it back. I'll get him back. Spy. Yeah, let me see what Spy and Nvidia are doing. I haven't looked at Nvidia in a while. Frickin' Spy, man. Damn. Where are we? Oh, guys, I forgot. We passed the 26,000 level. You guys remember this was a big rejection area we were talking about? This was a big... Nvidia's ripped up pretty big today. It's at 189. It's pretty good. Michael, just discipline on like knowing when to take a trade, knowing when to stay cash, knowing, hey, today is most likely gonna be a slower, choppier day like yesterday, so be more cautious, stuff like that. Nice, Leos. Yeah, those flex accounts are nice. A lot of people have been liking the 25Ks. Damn, John. Sorry to hear that, buddy. Damn. Bull Jones, that would be a pretty good day. A mistake went well. Hey, sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Disciplined Futures Trader, what's up, brother? Hey, great job, Brian. That's a great day, man. Lock it in. No trades yet. We are staying cash at the moment. I mean, right now, look, it's kind of forming a range. A weird range. You see this area? We've been seeing this a lot the last few weeks. Like right now, look, it reversed down. Making up, I don't know if this is a pullback or a reversal or what. I have no idea. Yeah, Jones, that's why it's better to have that's why it's better to be good and be like disciplined and stuff. Guys, like, yeah, trading, there is gonna be luck involved, like straight up. Like, there's always gonna be luck involved. That's why a lot of traders and people reference trading to like poker. Like, same thing. You could have, you're way ahead or you're way behind and you get lucky on the river. Same thing in trading. It could happen with you. It's just a law of probability and large numbers. Like, you know, you could be in a trade and all of a sudden Trump spoke randomly or tweeted and there's just like a massive rip in your favor. You know, they're always going to be a luck. But in the end, discipline, consistent having habits in place will far perform being lucky. So just be disciplined and all that. Evan, I don't know, man. It's kind of acting weird right here. So I would like a dump. I would like to take a dump short right here. Gabriel, absolutely. What's up, Michael? Doing good, man. How are you? Rosie, lock it in. Hey, shout out to FL, man. Everyone like it up for FL, guys. Thank you, man. I really appreciate you, brother. Everyone like it up for FL, man. It really means a lot. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, FL, I'm going to use that for some lures and stuff. I'll buy some huckleberry worms, the purple worms. Thank you, FL. It means a lot, man. I really appreciate you. Everyone like it up for FL. Thank you. It means a lot, man. Nice, Jasmine. Yeah, everyone like it up for FL. Really means a lot. Thank you. Brian, I usually work out. I'll like trade, and then I usually like edit videos after, and then maybe get some like a snack. So I don't know. It depends on my time, really. That's why I like trading in this schedule, because you guys will think like this YouTube is also my job. It's kind of cool. I was like praying for like a job and stuff. I was like, oh, shit, I don't want to get a job. And then God gave me this live stream. This is part of my job. It's pretty cool. I like it. So I usually go work out in the afternoon. That way I get some food, water in me. Then I get the trading done. I get the live stream done. I got some content made. And then I can go work out and walk. It's pretty nice. I like it. We got this. Exactly, Tommy. Risk management is key. What's up, Paint or Die? Thank you, Leos. Yeah, guys, we started this channel in April 2024. I remember when I first started, I was like, oh, I just want to document the journey. That's literally why I started. I literally started this channel to document the journey. And like 3 months after I got my first payout, I started like posting or whatever. So it's pretty cool. I think by then I had a 40 grand payout from Apex. Holy shit. Damn, time flies. Holy crap. Yeah, guys, 2 years ago yesterday, I got my first payout ever with TopStep for $7,050. It was $7,200 because they had a test refund, so I got my $150 back, and they had no payout caps and everything. Man, those were the days. Holy moly. Jack, boom, I think there's a consistency rule, so it depends how much you would make in a day. Yeah, Michael, there's a lot to trading people don't realize. I was explaining to like a family friend. He's like, oh, he does like construction. I'm like, oh, what do you do? I'm like, oh, I trade, blah blah blah. He goes, ah, easy, and I'm like, yeah, easy. I'm like, yeah, you just sit at home clicking buttons, but it's really not that easy. And I was trying to explain it to him, and I don't know. He didn't really understand. He was like, I don't know. He's like, you know, hard physical labor. I'm like, yeah, that's a hard job, all that, but like trading is not easy. And then I was explaining how you could lose your money on the day, and your income's not guaranteed. He goes, oh no, fuck that, no. He's like, no. That's why I'm like, when I'm like, people ask me what I do for a living, like, I don't like saying I day trade anymore. I kind of stopped saying that. I don't know. Like, the only people that really get it are people that trade. And then people that don't trade, they just think it's gambling or it's fake and stuff like that. So now lately, I haven't been telling people I trade if they ask me what I do. Guys, what should I say? I'm an online content creator. That sounds kind of sketch. I create content online. I don't know. I don't know. I live stream for a living. I don't know. I don't like saying I trade. Because most of the time they don't get it. They just think it's fake or gambling. Paint or die, yeah, kinda, give or take. I switched it up a bit, but then I kind of fine-tuned it. And then right now I think this is the best it's been, kind of, with my risk management. Evan, I bought some other accounts, yeah. Yeah, when I got that first payout with TopStep, I think I got more accounts with TopStep, so I got 3 funded because you could only have 3 funded at the time. And then I scaled them. I tried out MyFundedFutures, and then TakeProfitTrader, and then Apex. Those were my 4 main firms. So TopStep, MyFundedFutures, TakeProfitTrader, and Apex. And I got $300,000 in payouts in 2024 with those 4 firms. So they're pretty good. Yeah. Everyone says like, oh yeah. He was like, oh, so easy. You just sit at home clicking buttons. I'm like, it's not that fucking easy, man. If you trade, you know the feeling. Like, it's not easy. Guys, I'm a fund manager for a multi-billion-dollar corporation. I have like a 50K account with TopStep. I manage private equity. Yeah, you gotta make it sound familiar. Yeah, like lately I haven't been telling people I trade. Sometimes I'll even say like, "Oh, I'm unemployed" or something. I don't do anything. I don't know. Yeah, guys. What do you do for a living? I sell a course. I sell my own strategy. Link in my bio. Guys, I'm a private equity investor into the moon tidal correlating with NASA. I'm also in partnership with NASA for the moon tidal strat. Yeah, financial investor. Oh, guys, we'll say yeah. We run Ponzi schemes. Yeah, what do you do for a living? I'm a Ponzi schemist. Yeah, at least yeah. Like most people, if they haven't traded, they don't understand. Like, this is not easy, and people are like, some traders are like, oh, this. They act all cocky. They're like, oh, this shit is so easy. Look at me. Look, Oh, I just made 10 grand and this shit is so easy. How are you guys losing? It's like, hey guy, hey, relax. Hey, take it easy. Trading is not easy. Yeah, guys. Oh, I have an OnlyFans. Link in my bio. Beard model John. Yeah. Yeah, I sell beard pictures on OnlyFans. Oh, what the hell? Oh man, that's funny. Oh man, that's funny. Taiwan, yep. Yeah, I'm a moon title investor. Guys, I'm a moon title investor, guys. Oh, that's funny. Oh, what do you do for a living? I'm a moon title investor with NASA. Yeah, we also sell courses. Arthur, it depends. Trading is very streaky. You go on win streaks, you go on cold streaks. It's literally everything. It's just hard to predict. Just like have like a consistent strategy, consistent habits, consistent plan, and then the outcome will present itself. You can't be like, oh, I'm gonna go on a 10-day winning streak. Whatever happens, happens. NFL, yeah, that's what I'm saying. A lot of people, they do what is it called? A lot of people can make a lot of money, but the real key is defense. Defense, protecting and saving the money. That's what I needed to work on last year, 100%. That one I didn't do last year. Bull Jones? Hell no. Yeah, so many kids are, the younger generation especially, they're getting into sports betting and gambling. I'm like, oh man. Especially when they're betting on UFC fights. I don't do any of that stuff, but when you're betting on a UFC fight, guys, like, yeah, you could have a favorite and all that, but there's always upsets. It's gambling. Like, some guy could knock him out, get a submission. Like the Marab and Peter Yan fight. Peter Yan was like I think like a 30 or 25% underdog on the betting odds. People lost hella money on Marab that night, and I thought Marab was gonna win that night. Peter Yan, oh my god, he was a beast. Yeah, guys, I'm a moon title investor. We also sell turtle soups on the side. Yeah, M5, this shit is guys, we're kind of having the same price as yesterday. So sorry if I don't take a trade. If I don't see it, I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna force a trade today. Knowing what happened on my losing days on the earlier streams, and yesterday we got faked out really hard on those trades. So unless we see like a really good setup, I'm not gonna take it. Sorry, I'm not gonna take it. Dabda, yeah. It's just risk management, guys. Just risk management. Yeah, beyond limits. That's where we're staying cash right now. A lot of people lost yesterday, so if you made money yesterday, good job. That was a tough day to make money. I just flipped on the alpha accounts. But yeah, guys, we made a same thing as yesterday, guys. Look at this. Yesterday, we had a big rip in the morning. Then look, straight chop. Look at this. Big rip, straight chop. What are we doing right now? Look at this. Same thing. Big rip, straight chop. Guys, we found it. This is literally it. We need a turtle soup to soup. He was vaping during the weigh-ins is crazy. Yeah. Visual Dreamers. I watched that live. Dude, I was so excited for that fight too. Dude, I literally yelled when I saw it happen. I was like, holy shit. Dude, they said it was a shoulder issue. That ain't no shoulder. He literally broke his arm. His whole elbow and everything came out. Dabda, yeah, that is true. That is true. Guys, remember, staying cash is a position. Like I said, if I see a setup, I'll take it. But we're not going to force it on a day like this. Cash is a position. And guys, the last Thursdays and Fridays have been what? They've been choppy. No news. The news was earlier in the week. What do we have this week? No news Monday, Tuesday. News Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We gotta protect our capital. All in. Baby food, yeah. No, we're bullish at the start, but right now we're just chopping right here. We're forming a range. Oh, the market makers are out to get me, guys. They're watching my live streams. Oh, they're out to get me. This is all a scam. This is all fraud. They're hunting my stops, guys. This is a scam. Oh man. Yeah, Gabriel, that is true. Cash is king. Stay in cash. Oh, Michael. Yeah, dude, I almost did that last week. I almost ripped 4 minis. I almost ripped 4 minis. And I was like, oh shit. Good thing I caught that. Coming back down in this area, Nvidia is kind of coming down. So is SPY. It's time. Four p.m. Yeah, Trump speaks at 1 o'clock PST, guys. 2656. Garv. What up, Garv? Alright, we got a new hour candle in 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, Gabriel, this is the same price action as yesterday. The same price action. Alright. We got 15 seconds for the new hour. Javier, what up? Micah, I only trade New York session. I just like New York. Alright, here's the hour candle. We should do like a halftime show at 10 o'clock. What up, Javier? We gotta get those turtle soups. I love me a turtle soup. Yeah, I used to trade. I traded Asia session a few times, but I got freaking wrecked one time, and that was pretty much my last time. Or I want to see if it bounces here again and then reverses back up, or it's just playing mumbo jumbo and then it's gonna like break finally. Guys, turtle soup was freaking crazy. Charmin. Man, silver made such a huge rip the last 3 months. Holy crap. Alright. We're just in this range, right? If it, like I said, if it breaks this and closes below it, I would expect a bigger move down. Like right now, I would normally take a breakout short. You guys see that? But with the price action of yesterday, it faked me out hard. And we're kind of having that same thing today. I would rather wait for a confirmation or something. This is that area that I was talking about, guys. This 26,000, 40, 38, 39 area. This is what I was talking about, this level. Look, it's bouncing right off it. But that was a big sell-off right there. Nice, paint or die. Yeah, that was a nice quick flush right there. That's what I'm thinking. It's either going to bounce right here, or it's going to break and finally break out this range. And then we can maybe see some movement. But right now, it just bounced right off that level. See this, guys? A little right here. Javier, that's what I'm thinking. Guys, we might have going turtle soup, so false breakouts. We got turtle soup yesterday. Brandy, 25 mic. Ooh, dude. Holy crap. Hey, Brandy, fucking thank you. Holy crap. Dude, I almost ripped freaking 5 minis right. Dude, guys, if I ripped that, I would have ripped 5 minis. We were literally talking about that earlier. Thank you, Brandy. Oh my gosh. That would have been really, really bad if I ripped 5 minis. Oh man, that would have been a bad day. Would either been really good or really bad. Thank you, Brandy. Dude, we just got saved. Thank you, Brandy. Oh my gosh, we're supposed to trade 5 micros. Oh my god, dude, if I was almost about to take a trade, oh man, if I ripped 5 minis right there with $1,300, oh man, that's one bad move. That's one bad move. Off a little mistake. Yeah, see guys, we always got to double check. We were literally talking about that earlier. I literally had it on freaking minis. Oh man, that would have been really bad. Thank you, Brandy. Oh man. Guys, just this little click of a button means all the difference. Oh man, that would have been 10x the leverage. Holy crap. Oh man. That would have been really, really bad. Yeah, it's bouncing right here, guys. So, okay. I would have normally took a short, right? But if we are doing the turtle soup, we would want to look for a long. Like a false breakout. I don't know. We got a new 5-minute right here. That would have been really, really bad. Alright, I want to see if it actually breaks it this time, or is it just going to bounce off here again. Oh, man, yeah, Isaac, yeah. It happens. It freaking happens. Okay, we're on MNQ. Okay, we got 5 micros set, guys. Look at that, 5 micros. Guys, just this 2 buttons is 10x the leverage. You're like, huh? I just cleared a buffer in 10 seconds. Hey, like we said, it's better to be lucky than good or sometimes, but in the long run, it's gonna clap you. Oh man, that's funny. Javier, you think we're gonna actually turtle soup this? You think it's a false breakout? Guys, we literally got turtle soup yesterday. So if we use that and it's making the same thing like yesterday, if we do take a long right here, which I don't know, I feel like it's risky honestly, but I mean 10-point stop, 10-point stop loss, cheap trade, risking only $100 for a potential 30 to 50 right here. That's a nice 1 to 3, 1 to 5 if we do see that. Yeah, pain or die. That's what I was thinking. If we do break this and close below it, like have a 5-minute close below this this level right here, I can see another big gap to the downside, honestly. That's just my thought process. But I'm worried it's just going to bounce again for like the 5th time, and it's just a false breakout. Gosh, that would have been really bad if I took a trade and it was 5 minis. Oh my gosh. On $1,300 a drawdown? Yeah, shout out to you, Brandy. That was a nice save. Michael, it'd only be fun if we go up in profit right away. Hey, it stops us out, and then our accounts get liquidated, and we're like, what the heck? You're like, why am I up $2,000 in like 10 seconds? Guys, it's kind of bouncing right here. Damn, we're just range bounding, bro. Yeah, Bob, it happens. Turtle poop. Guys, we wouldn't have got turtle souped. We would have got turtle pooped. Michael, I don't know who that is. No, I haven't seen him. Dowda, yeah. Imagine there's like a button, like right when you hear about to hit market, it goes, "Are you sure about that? Are you sure?" What's that? We gotta get John Cena on deck. Guys, are you sure about that? You really want to enter with 5 minis?
Are you sure about that?
Bold showed, yeah. Yeah, guys, it's a full port Taco Tuesday. Full port turtle soup Taco Tuesday. Hey, the prop firm send you email. Well, sorry. It was nice knowing you. You ran good. Here's my 10% off discount if you want to buy another account. And you're like full on tilted. Right after blowing it because of a simple mistake. You fucked up, buddy. You fucked up. You just because of this little thing right here. Just this. Hey, Terry, relax, Terry. Yeah, guys, we're forming a bounce right here. Literally bounce off this level perfectly. On the dot. Literally bounce right on it and just yeet it up. I mean, if we do take a long, we can risk like 10 points. I mean, small risk. Same thing. We can have a nice 1 to 3, 1 to 4. All right, price is coming down pretty hard right here. All good, FL. All good. Manage your risk. Ooh. Yeah, guys, we're just being calm, being patient. Not gonna force anything on a day like today. I really want to see it break out this range, honestly, and go to the downside. I really would like to see that. But we can't force it. You guys, you can't just force the market to do what you want. You gotta trade what you see. No, Rosie, get out of there. Don't force the trades. Today is not a day to do that. Guys, honestly, if I wasn't live streaming, I probably would have taken at least 2 to 3 trades by now. The old me. Like, straight up, if I'm being honest. Horrible. Yeah, Gabriel, we should start a poll. That's a good, yeah. If I want to see, like, more downward trajectory, I really want to see this break right here. This 26,000, 36, 40 area right here. Especially if we get a 5-minute close below that, we can see maybe another gap down. I mean, this is a big gap right here to the downside. And we caught some nice shorts doing that in the previous live streams. Yeah, price is coming back up here, so we might just be range bounding at the moment. All right, where are we going, everyone? Up, down, or chop? Oh my FL, that was kind of unlucky right there, man. Honestly, yeah, you kind of got unlucky there, man. Nice banner die. As long as we stay between this 26,036 and like this area, this 95, I think we might just consolidate, honestly. Unless we see like a nice breakout to the up or downside. Bull Jones, yeah. Yeah. We're all getting better together, brother. Dude, we have more people on the chop. We have more people on the chop. 40% chop. Alright, we got a new 5-minute here. Price is moving up right here. If we play this chop, it might do another reject right around this area. This 26,090 maybe. Just, and then we can play the range maybe. But I mean, at the moment, the trend is still bullish. We broke this 26,000 level. That's why I would. I'd rather. I don't know. I really want to take a short to the downside if I'm being honest. But like I said, we're not gonna force it. You can't just be like, hey Nasdaq, just fall 100 points for me. You know, you just trade what you see. So price is coming back up here, and then I'm thinking it might either reject here again, or if we actually finally break out the range, which would be a little surprising honestly because of the no news. We can maybe see another push up to the upside. Because SPY, I think it was SPY's all-time highs this morning, like in 2 hours, hour and a half ago, 2 hours. And Nvidia made a huge rip up this morning too, like 1.7%, which is a good move. Dude, Javier, Javier, you were right. Javier, you were right. We literally turtle soup. Instead of looking for a short, we should have took a long. Well, good thing we stayed cash. I mean, no trades yet, anyone. If you're wondering, we haven't taken a trade yet. Ruzi, yeah, the trend is still up. The trend is still bullish, but right now we're forming this top range right here. This. We're just range bounding. Which we played the ranges very well. And that's how we got a payout. But they were good ranges, like 40, 50 points. Quick movement. They were solid ranges. Only risking 10, 15 points. The tortoise is running away. Oh my guys, if we played a range, like I said, we could risk like 10 points, small risk, for a nice 1 to 3, 1 to 4 maybe RR right there. I mean, that's 40. What is this? That's 40, 50 points. That's a good risk to reward if we were to play this range. Ruzu, yeah. Following the trend will generally give you a, in my opinion, a higher win rate. Yeah, we have 46% guys on the poll for chop. That's actually the most we had for chop. I'm thinking we might chop. The only way we get full confirmation if we break down at this area, this bottom right here, or this top area right here, make a new high. But we did this yesterday, guys. We made a big rip up. I had a bullish sentiment at the beginning, and we got faked out hard. Yeah, Gabriel, if we do short, if we do take that trade, yeah, we're only small risk. You definitely wouldn't want, I wouldn't want a 20, 30 point stop loss on this day. Nah. I mean, most of the time I already have I mean, from right here to here is 15 points. I mean, that's pretty solid. Alright, we got a new 5 minute and 30 seconds. Alright, 6 seconds. Alright. See where this wants to go. Ruzy? Yeah, man. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, we just get 10 points. Lock in $1,000 payout per account per day. 4 grand payouts off a 10-point move. Guys, we found the strat. Yeah. Yeah, Gabriel, let's do that. Dude, that's some like Togi shit. Alright guys, we made some, we got a 5 grand payout on this TakeProfitTrader. We're just gonna rip it on slots. Oh god. Dude, those gambling websites pay those creators so much money to like literally just live stream them. It's ridiculous. It's such a shady business. Fuck. Don't do that shit, guys. Don't do that shit. Yeah, Ruzy. Yeah. Yeah, we just become a we're just a gambling influencer at this point now. Got a contract with RainBet. God. Even the pranksters are promoting RainBet on their freaking pranks. You guys see those prank videos? They literally do like, oh, RainBet, oh, like the guys at the cashier buying baby oil and fucking bananas and shit. Looking at and the cashier's making weird faces at him. Then he's like, "Oh, let me get this on RainBet real quick." I'm like, "What the fuck is going on? Like, what's going on with our society?" Jeez, unreal. Hell no. Yeah, guys, we have like a gambling streams on Saturday nights, Saturday nights with the boys live on Kick.com. Oh, fuck, no. Hell no, we don't do that. We're just gonna be cool, calm, collected, and disciplined. But I know a trader, he's in the propfirms space. He's kind of a big channel. He does like kind of like gambling kind of with his trading, like gambling style, and it is pretty entertaining. I'm not gonna lie. I was watching it, I was like, oh shit, it's kind of funny. But then all the comments are like, dude, like, bro, like you're just gambling. Like, just literally just go to the casino, bro. What are you doing? You're like full porting and shit. I'm like, oh my god, like what the fuck? Oh no, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, we're gonna have the live streams on MySpace, guys. All right, I want to see how it reacts to this area. This 26,090. No. I'm not gonna say the names, but I don't want to. I'm not trying to start or anything, but I don't know. Alicia, 100%. Guys, today is a fuck around and find out type of day. Hell no. I like staying in my own lane. I don't like starting shit. I don't like starting shit. I don't like the drama and anything, honestly. I like just staying in my own lane. Well, TJR, he's got like a fucking, he's gambling, he's doing gambling content and then he's trading content. Dude, I don't know. Do you guys think that like his trading is like real money and shit, like on his live account, the way he posts? Cause he had days where he like, posted this year where he's down like 50, 100 grand. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, how much are you trading? How many contracts are you freaking trading? But like the amount of money he makes from like the brand deals, the sponsors, and affiliates, like it's gotta be like a fuck ton of money. Great job, Paint or Die. Paint or Die. Today is a day. Lock it in, man. Walk away. Close that X and walk away, Paint or Die. If you made money today and yesterday, lock it in, honestly. Straight up. Bull Jones, yeah, That's kind of why I'm making those like Chad videos, those Giga Chad videos on my Shorts feed, because I'm kind of like just like poking fun, you know, just like making fun, like those gurus, those guys that just rip the courses and everything. Yeah, that's the thing nowadays. It's so hard to tell. And then, like, for example, the guy I learned the EMAs off. Remember, I was trading the 9 and 20 EMA. I thought he was like a legit, awesome, great trader. He gave me a lot of inspiration and motivation. Then I literally found out like a year or two later, he's a fucking fraud, faking everything, doing all this shit. Some guy exposed the shit out of him, and I watched the video. I was like, oh my gosh, he's right. I'm like, this dude's a fucking fraud. And then I was like, oh my gosh. And I'm like, oh, is this guy a fraud? You know, you have this question, oh, is he real? That's literally why I started this channel, guys. Like, if I could do it, so could you. That's literally why I started this channel. I don't sell a fucking course. I do have an affiliate commission, an affiliate code, which I greatly appreciate. It helps the channel. Like I said, this is my job. This is how I keep the live streams free. If you use my affiliate code, it means a lot. But I don't sell a course. I don't do one-on-one mentorships. I don't have a boot camp. I don't do this shit. And if people think affiliates like get like special treatment, guys, I had to buy the accounts myself. I had to earn the payouts myself. I don't talk to them. I don't be like, hey, is there like a special deal or something? Can I get a discount on this? I had to buy it all myself. I use the same discount, get the same discounts as you guys. These accounts I paid $510 for, $102 each after the discount. And then yeah, it's literally just an affiliate code. Dabda, I've never heard of that. Holy shit. I never thought of it. Actually, that's kind of true. They're like, oh, if he lost a lot of money, then it's okay if I lost 500, right? It's not a big deal. Huh, that's actually smart, Dabda. You see how the gambling industry is like so corrupt and bad? It's such a dark industry, honestly. It's so bad. Amar, yeah, I saw him post that he was gonna expose the crap out of him. So, I mean, we'll see what he posts. Take the trade. Yeah, we started live streaming. So, like I said, these are my dedicated stream accounts. So every single trade on these accounts will be documented live. Every single trade will be documented. Hey, Panner Guy, thanks for tuning in, brother. I appreciate you like always. Have a good one. No, Dabda, no. Don't worry, guys. My course is my new and improved turtle soup strategy course is coming out this Friday. Don't worry, guys. Hey, 50% off. It's like they priced the course at $100, but then they have the discount at 50% off, so they marked the course at $200, so it looks like you're getting 50% off. That's also a sales tactic, guys. People do. Businesses. They mark up the price and just do a discount. But at the end, it's the same price. Alright, we got a new 1030 candle in 10 seconds. This candle, we have seen a little volatility. Nothing crazy on this candle, so we'll see. It's in 5 seconds. We'll see. Oh, wow. We got 47% going up, 40% chop, and only 13% going down. Well, that was a whole lot of nothing. Jones, yeah, people are on their own. That's why I like staying in my own lane. I don't like starting drama. I just do my own shit. Here, my brand new Lamborghini with my new Rolex, guys. It's a fucking Fitbit. Yeah, especially the younger generation. They all watch TJR, like TikTok, Instagram, all of that. Well, it's because that type of content, is like very entertaining. Especially, it gets your dopamine going, right? You see him making like 20 grand on a trade. You're like, oh shit, he just made 20 racks on a trade. I want to do that. I want to get into this. Or like, oh, they saw him gambling on the site. Oh, I just won 200 fucking grand playing this chicken crossing road game. 200 grand for winning a chicken crossing road game. And then they're like, oh, let me deposit. Let me try and run it up. Don't get into that shit, guys. It's really bad. Amar, yeah. Yeah, that's why I mainly restarted this channel, because of documenting everything. Like, guys, I'm literally a normal ass dude on YouTube. I'm literally normal like you guys. I'm just documenting it right here. I don't do like fancy shit. I don't. Every now and again, I like, a nice dinner when it's like a birthday or something, go to a nice steakhouse. But, like, we're rocking the humble Honda, Guys, we're almost at 27,600 subscribers. We're at 7,573. We're going pretty good this year, honestly, guys. So thank you guys for subscribing. We're up over 600 subscribers this year. It's not bad. It's pretty good. Okay, really, yeah. Well, TJR, he's great at what he does, and he's great at making content and all that stuff. He's very great at that. I'm not hating on him that. He's very good at what he does with the content. It really engages the viewers, right? You see him like yelling and screaming and like, oh, dude, like, look at this, oh. Some like Togi shit. Hey guys, when we get 100 grand payout, we're all like, we got like the disco lights and shit going. Guys, we just made 100 grand live. All right, that's a nice candle. Tapped right here. I want to see how it reacts. I want to see if it actually finally breaks out of this range, or if it's just gonna reject again and then fall back into here. Because right now, guys, yeah, we ripped up, but right now we're just consolidating. We're just forming a range, but it's kind of an interesting range. I don't know. Javier, I might have to turtle soup this shit. No, yeah. I used to watch Togi's videos last year. I haven't watched him in a while, but when I was watching it, it was pretty entertaining, because it's like literally degenerate shit, and it makes you like laugh and like gets your dopamine going. You're like, oh shit, dude, this guy's fucking crazy. But lately, I haven't been watching a lot of videos. I've been just making videos, which I think is pretty good. Guys, don't be a consumer, be a creator. But I watch other YouTubers still. I like watching other YouTubers. Javier. Low key, huh? It's kind of setting up for a turtle soup. I'm not gonna lie. We got a new 5-minute. Like, normally, I would probably look for a breakout long to the upside, but with this price action and yesterday, we might have to turtle sit false breakout to the downside. Small risk. Yeah, I just can't comprehend how much they're, like, gambling with. Oh my gosh, dude, look at that. Like, I think there was a video Beyond Limits where he, like, sold all his cars all cash and like put it all in the casino. I was like, what the fuck? People bet so much, and I'm like, how do you just casually do that? Dude, I watched a gambling video and it was so funny. The guy, he like walked out the casino and he goes, I don't know how y'all get addicted to this shit. I just lost $100 and I'm fucking pissed off. How do you all get addicted to this shit? He's all pissed off. I'm like, he's kind of true. He's right. Like, he's like, fuck this. I'm out. When I first started my propfirms, I was watching his Apex videos. I haven't watched him in a while, but when I first started, like before my YouTube, I was watching his Apex videos because I was like getting into propfirms and stuff. Gabriel, I don't blame you, man. Yeah, if we are to short this, yeah, you have tight stop. Thank you, Javier. Yep. Yeah, guys, all these payouts, people literally thought I was faking my payouts on 2024. They thought I was like photoshopping it and editing it. I'm like, you can't edit that shit on their website live like that. It's fucking crazy. Guys, I had to buy all the accounts like you guys. I don't get a special treatment. I buy all the accounts myself. I get the same discount, 40% off on these. No activation fee. I get the same discount. I gotta earn my payouts. Every single payout on this channel, yeah, I had to earn it. I had to buy the accounts. Yeah, that's why Dabda. Yeah, guys, don't get into gambling. It's a very dark industry. It's very bad. It's horrible. They're kind of like brainwashing you, get your dopamine going. It's really bad, honestly. It's a horrible addiction. Don't get into that shit, guys. It's very scary stuff. Hey, that's why I just trade. We just trade, guys. Yeah, M5, there was people faking certificates. Like that one guy, that one trader got exposed hard because he put himself like massive payouts with Top Step, and Top Step confirmed that he never did that and it was all fake, and they banned him and shit, and he got exposed really hard. I don't know who it was, but it was like, I think it was like a bigger trader. And he faked his payouts. Like Photoshop that shit. Yeah, Dabda, if you can make a lot of money, but if you can't learn to keep it and be disciplined about it for the long run, it can go by quick. Javier, yep. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we're doing these live streams free, guys. I was so hesitant and nervous to start them because it's just like a lot of anxiety. Honestly, guys, the hardest part is just starting. If you're like worried or nervous about a project or whatever you're into, literally just starting, like going to the gym. If you've never been to the gym, that's probably a really scary thing. When I first went to the gym, like a public gym, yeah, I was like in high school or whatever. I went to a 24-hour fitness. I was there by myself. I would just go to the machine in the corner, and just kind of feel it out. But then you warm up, you get used to the place. Then you go to the free weight section, and then you just make it a routine. It's just the hardest part is just starting, guys. And that's what happened this year. On my first day live streaming, I got like 3 hours of sleep that night because I was so scared and nervous. I was like, oh, am I actually going live? Well, what if it doesn't go well? Oh, this, that, blah, blah, blah. But I was like, fuck it. You only live once. Take risk. And we took risk, and I fucking love it. I love this shit. So I love live streaming for y'all. It's pretty fun, honestly. It's nice talking to y'all. And guys, we are consistently getting 110, 120 viewers now on this live stream. So that's pretty good. We're going up. When we first started, we were averaging like 60, 70. And now we're averaging like 100, 120. So it's going up. It's pretty nice. So thank you guys. Yeah, M5, he got exposed pretty hard. Patrick exposed the shit out of him. But I don't even want to get in with that guy. He started so much shit with Patrick, and Patrick was like, "Bro, can you just like leave me alone? Like just literally leave me alone." Chai, I've blown probably hundreds, honestly. I don't know the exact number, but it's in the hundreds from the last 2 years. Well, it's like when you're copy trading a bunch of accounts, it goes by pretty quick. Especially if you have Apex accounts and you're copy trading 20. Like, especially on the eval phase, you can blow a lot really quick. Guys, this low-key might be a day on the live stream where I don't take a single trade at all. But that's good. This is good. This is good discipline. This is good patience. This is good. Cash is king, guys. Why do they say that? Cash is king. Staying cash is a position. Guys, we got faked out really hard yesterday. Really bad. 3 losses. 0 for 3. But we managed our risk very well. 10-point stops, basically. Very well. Today, literally the same shit is forming. No news yesterday. No news today. We gotta save our capital for guys. We gotta save our capital for tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. But dude, hey Javier, this is literally turtle souping, guys. It's literally just projecting off this top area, guys. We're just playing off this range now. It's literally just bouncing out the bottom, rejecting out the top. Same thing, bouncing up, bouncing down. No, yeah, DayDay, he got exposed. He got exposed for paper trading and then literally, what was it, photoshopping someone else's broker statement. Really bad, sketchy stuff. So, stuff you don't want to do. Yeah, you don't want to get into that. Yeah, Javier, thank you, man. Yeah, guys, if we don't take a trade, yeah, if you guys got any questions or something, we just chat it up. Like, today is definitely a day to not trade, in my opinion. I'd rather save the moves for the bigger week. Tomorrow and rest of the week, Thursday, Friday. And I'm not really seeing a setup. So, why should I force it, right? So, we are practicing discipline and patience together. So, off these live streams, hope you can learn, like, hey, maybe I shouldn't trade too or something, or on a day like this, right? Tommy, no trades today. We have been cash this whole stream. We haven't seen a setup, so yeah. Great job, FL. Dude, that was really my dream with the live account. Like, have like a starting balance, and then at the end of the week, whatever I have above that balance, you can take daily off withdrawals. So good job, FL. And yeah, you can like, yeah, take maybe 1 to 2 trades on your live account, cash account. New 5-minute right here. And then, yeah, you can work on propfirms on the side. That's pretty good. Yeah, Tommy, we're locked in right now. Day trade professor. No, I don't think I've... He sounds familiar, but I don't think I have. Chai. Hey, Dob. I'm glad you guys are actually learning that we're just talking. I'm glad you guys are actually learning stuff. Because that's what we're here to do. We're trying to get better one day at a time, guys. And I mean, like, guys, we're learning our lesson from yesterday. Yeah, Alicia, it happens. I've blown well over 100s. But it's how you do in the end, right? Like, let's say you spent 10 grand on a prop firm accounts, but then you got 40, 50 grand in payouts or something. I mean, hell, even 20 grand in payouts. If you spent 10 grand on prop firms and got 20 grand in payouts, I mean, yeah, it's kind of a lot, but I mean, you still profited 10 grand. That's pretty good. I mean, I would spend 10 grand any day to make 10 grand profit. That's a 1-to-1 RR right there. Yeah, that's pretty good. As long as you're up overall, guys. And then if you're not up overall, learn what you're doing wrong. Start slow. Like, guys, when I first started prop firms, 2024, at my peak, I was down like 20 grand. Like, on prop firm expensive. Like, evals, activation fees, buying the challenges. But then I literally made it all back in like 6 figures, which is fucking crazy with the swing. Massive swing. Javier, dude, that's literally what I'm trying to do with these accounts, bro. Yeah, because I know TradeDay, you could take daily payouts above the buffer. Dude, I'm literally having a yo-yo effect with these accounts. We're going up and down. We're literally just going up. We're going back down. We're going up. We're down. But we're still up overall, and we still got a $3,600 payout. And these accounts are still well alive, guys. They're still well alive. We don't need to be freaking out and going crazy. Oh my god, I'm down $600. What am I going to do? I'm just going to full port. No, we're not going to do that shit. Cool, calm, collected. A+ setup. That's it. Alicia, yeah. That's a good idea. Yeah, Javier, that's the main thing with TakeProfitTrader is that trailing drawdown. But that's the hardest part. But once you pass it, like these accounts, it stops, which is nice. So the hardest part is just getting past the trailing drawdown. Yeah, I like end of day, the TradeDay, yeah, they're end of day accounts, which is pretty nice. Michael, if it's at my level, I like how price is moving. It has a good risk to reward. I like how it looks. Everything. It follows my strategy, my system. I'll take it. Yeah, Dada, exactly. See, yeah, usually that's like the first year. Like my first year, I was straight up down 20 racks at the beginning. Or at my peak. And then, yeah. Yeah, I think he profited a lot. Like, yeah, 6 figures, which is amazing. Guys, imagine making 6 figures a year from prop firms. I mean, it's 100% doable. Very few people can do it. It's very hard. I'm being honest. It's very hard, but it is definitely doable, guys. Straight up. That's what we're doing, guys. I'm trying to set you an example. Maybe I shouldn't trade today. We learned our lesson. Yeah, Ology, I think, yeah, I don't think we're going to... Honestly, guys, yeah, we're not going to take a trade. I'll still stay with you guys till the end of stream. Still chat it up. Xavier, my 100k alphas, I have 3 winning days. So I need 2 more winning days. And I need to get it to like a $2,200 balance. I think they're at like a 1,000 or 12. They're around 1,000 to 1,200 or so. I forgot what it is. But I need 2 more winning days with my alpha accounts, and I need to get them to like $2,200 because of the consistency rule. Then I can get a payout. So, knock on wood, if we keep running good this week, yeah, I mean it's still $3,000. I'll take a $3,000 payout all day. $3,000, that'll cover the expenses and more accounts. And I mean $3,000. That's a good, yeah, that's a good first payout. Yeah, M5, yep. Yeah, guys, trading is very streaky. Like you can run hot. Like you could go on like a 3 week losing streak, and then 1 week you just run hot and just make it all back. Yeah. Mr. Powell is he's gonna move the market makers. Tayway, no, not today. I'm not sure when I'll do it. Just ain't right. What's up, brother? Yeah, guys, imagine, because most people trading prop firms, guys, most of you, I'm assuming you have a job, right? Like a 9 to 5. So imagine you're getting like some payouts with your 9 to 5 income. Like, use the trading money as like a bonus incentive, right? Have your 9 to 5 as your main source of income, so you can always rely on it, right? It's always going to be there. Trading, your income's not guaranteed. You could lose money, right? It's also like budgeting. Let's say you make I don't know, let's say you make $3,000 a month with your 9 to 5 or something. Yeah, maybe you have like a budget with prop firms. Like, hey, maybe I'll spend max $500 a month on prop firm challenges or something. You got budgeted. You don't just go like, oh, I'm going to buy 20 accounts, go balls deep. Fuck it. I got bills to pay, but who cares? You got to be smart about it. You got to be disciplined about it. You got to have a budget. No successful business is successful without a budget. They don't just go willy-nilly, here's my credit card, here, go into debt. You gotta be smart about it, guys. Yeah, Gabriel, yeah, we're just gonna play some chess and we're gonna play some Fortnite on stream now. Pass some time. We're gonna pass some time, guys. Yeah, we got a new 4 hour and 7 minutes. Yeah, Javier, when you go on a losing streak, I'll be honest, there's times where you go on a losing streak and you're like, oh, is my strategy shit? Am I bad at trading now? Oh, this. You have a lot of thoughts in your head, but as long as you know your system works in the long run, just keep executing it and it should be good. Dabda, if I do, I can just do Tradesyncer, so I can literally link these. I can link this leader account to my Tradesyncer, and then I can just copy trade them if I really wanted to. Like right now, I could like link them to like my other accounts if I wanted and trade them too. But I want to do that more later in the year. I want to have these accounts by them. So here's my plan. I want these accounts at freaking the buffer, and I want to keep taking daily payouts. So that's money constantly coming in, right? It's hard, but you know that's what we're, knock on wood. That's the plan. Have them daily payouts coming in. Trade these accounts by themselves. Then work on other accounts on my free time or whatever or whenever, and then trade those and trying to get those to payouts. So these accounts are like, you know, daily profits coming in. That's nice. Hey, thank you, Just Ain't Right. Tommy, yeah. Guys, like when I first started with trading, I was doing the shoe business full time still. Like I was still making good money from the shoes. So that was my job. And then I had a cushion from the profits I made from the previous years from that I could rely on. And then I'm like, all right, I can do the prop firms. But then the shoe business went to shit. And then now I went full time with the trading and YouTube. Shino. I like that. Cool, calm, collected, full port. Yeah, also M5, don't try and focus on the $200. I notice when I focus on a daily profit M5, like, oh, let me make $200, let me make $200. It messes with your psychology a lot. Just take like here's your rule, M5. 1 to 2 good trades, have a daily loss limit. Whatever you get at the end, that's what you get. There's gonna be days where you're down on the day, break even. There's gonna be days where you're at 200. There's gonna be days where you're up 400 or 500. It'll all balance out. So that's just a little tip, M5. Yeah. Yeah, guys, do we have the government shutdown soon or something? Tommy, Honolulu is really nice. Internet's moving. I think he's moving to Hawaii. Michael, the buffer on these accounts is $2,000, so I'm $600 away. So I can take anything over $2,000 daily per account. Dabda, yeah, I use Tradesyncer. If I'm copy trading multiple firms, like I was with the TopStep and Tradeify accounts last week, I use Tradesyncer. January 30th, the government shut down. Friday, the government shut down. We'll see how it does then. Because we have news that day as well. So Friday might see some movement, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I think it's smart we stay cash today. Just have a chill stream, honestly. Hey, Javier, we got a turtle soup right here, bro. Turtle soup. Normal Casey would take a breakout long, but with this price action, we gotta reverse engineer that. Yeah, there was days where I'm like, all right, Casey, I just need $200 to count it as a winning day. Then I went on a losing streak, went on bad shit tilt, just trying to make $200. Then ended up being down like 1,000 on the day. I'm like, what the fuck? What happened? I was trying to make $200, and now here I am down 1,000 for no reason. Oh man, those were horrible times. There's also a few times. There's one time I was so pissed off. I had like 3 accounts copy traded. I literally got it to like $29,050. I'm not even kidding. $50 away. Loss. Oh man, I went on batshit tilt crazy that day, guys. Oh man, it was horrible. $50 away from passing. That was a while ago, but man, I was so pissed off. I was like, $50? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Horrible. Oh man. Thank you, Tommy. Guys, we have people from other countries watching our channel, so thank you guys for watching. We got Germany, Philippines, Sweden, Switzerland, a lot of countries, Canada. Pretty cool. Casinator worldwide. Bree, yeah, they got rid of the core plan, but the flex plans are, I don't know why they did it, honestly. The flex plans are literally the core plans, but a little better. I don't know, they should have just updated it. Demon, right here. You see this? Trailing max drawdown. You go on your account right here, trailing max drawdown, and whatever this number is how much you have left to work with for a trailing. Tayway, lock it in, yeah. Yeah, Gabriel, those are literally the worst. Oh man, I get so pissed off. Damn. Guys, we got hella people. I didn't know that. Hey, God bless y'all. I didn't even know. Guys, Michael's from Poland. Oh my gosh. Ahmad is from Canada. Isaac's studying UK. Slovakia. Joseph. Netherlands. Oh man. M5 Delaware. Yeah, thank you all. Man, that means a lot. Really appreciate y'all. Guys, I didn't even know you guys from other countries like that. That's actually pretty cool. Germany, Martin. Yep, Martin, you're from Germany. I remember you. Damn, Detroit. Guys, this is actually pretty sick. Thank y'all. Yeah, FL, we have three. That's what I'm saying. That's what we're saying. Monday and Tuesday is gonna be chop, which it is. It's just slowly choppy range. Like what is this? Come on, guys. Are we really gonna trade this? Come on, let's be real. Come on. Dude, Javier, look at this turtle soup, guys. Normal me would have breakout short, but with this price action, it's been doing a bunch of freaking fake out to the downside. Look at that. Turtle soup is paying. Trader Bob, you're hella close, brother. We gotta go fishing one day. Jasmine, the flex accounts, I think they're like $10 or $20 more. They're a little more expensive, but you can get a 5K payout cap now instead of the 3K. No consistency in the funded. No consistency in the funded. No daily loss limit. And if you pass, today your challenge account right now, you can activate it funded same day. So you can trade a funded same day if you wanted. So it's literally like the core plan, honestly. They should have just done an add-on, honestly. I don't know. It literally looks like the same thing. Just a little more expensive and a little better. Yeah, flex accounts, no consistency rule. Demon, yeah. If I make, well, if you're trailing drawdown and you profit, yeah, whatever this is how much you have to work with. There is soup for everyone, yeah, Carbo Knight. Hey, we got turtle soups worldwide. We got turtle soups. Guys, never underestimate the turtle. We literally we're talking about the turtle soup right here, and look at that. Guys, that's a 60-point move to the upside. Oh my gosh. Hey, if you disrespect the turtle, you're gonna get the shell. You're gonna get the shell. Yeah. Yeah, they upped the price. If I were thinking like, yo, if you wanted to get a bigger payout cap, just pay like $10-$20 more for the add-on, right? I don't know. It's $87 one-time use only with code Casinator, and then it's gonna be $107 for the 50K account. But like I said, guys, realistically, how many people are gonna get to a 10 grand balance on a 50K account? Realistically, if I'm just being 100% honest. Realistically, very few people will get there. Some do, and congratulations, that's pretty damn hard to do on a 50K account. But realistically, most people are not going to get to even a 3K payout cap. You got to get to a 6 grand balance. So, I don't know. Mon-Ev, trailing drawdown's harder to trade. It works against you if you're in profits, so it's a lot harder to trade. That's why I take smaller. Look at this, Javier. Look at this shorts paying right here. Guys, look at this shorts paying. Like rejecting right off this top range right here. Yeah, that would have been a nice 20-point move right there. Look at this. False breakout, guys. Look. Turtle Soup Masterclass, guys. Move up to the upside right here. Staircasing up higher lows. Look at this. Looking to break out. Breakout. False breakout. Rejection hard. Guys, we missed the turtle soup. Javier, yeah, they bumped up the flex accounts price compared to the freaking Lucid Black accounts. They upped the price from the Lucid Flex, which also people didn't like. Yeah, guys, if we're not running up our balances to like $2 million each on the 50Ks, what are you even doing, guys? Come on. Tayway, it's good. It's a like daily payouts, 90-10 profit split, I'm pretty sure. So it's pretty good. Alright, guys, I'm going to end the stream in 5 minutes at 11:10 o'clock. 11:10 a.m. PST. So if you guys got any questions or comments, I'll hang out for another 5 minutes. But yeah, we're not taking a trade today, guys. We're just going to save our capital for tomorrow. There's no news today. And this is just really bad price action, in my opinion. Yeah, look at you guys. The shorts are paying. The turtle soup freaking paid off. Look, it's playing off this. Look, it's rejecting right off that range. Very nice, guys. Hey, you guys are eating. Turtle soup paying right now. Yeah, Dobda, that's what I really like about Lucid, though. It's a one-time fee for them. So if you buy an account, there's no monthly subscription. So it's really nice. You can take, like, as long as you want. Like, I bought my 150K Flex accounts. They're still brand new. They're literally still brand new. And I bought them over a month ago when they had a sale. Over a month ago now, yeah. And I don't have to get worried about getting rebuild. That's pretty nice. Because if I had to frickin' pass it this week, I would have had a batshit crazy trade rip 5-10 minis trying to pass. Shino fan, yeah, we are really disciplined today, guys. Really disciplined today. I'm really proud of that. Today is the first day we did not take a trade on these accounts, so I think that's a win. I really do. We didn't see a good setup. We didn't like this price action. We expected some chop from today, yesterday and today. And we're expecting the bigger moves for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday because there's literally news on every single day. So, literally, like, this is a great day to stay cash. We're practicing discipline. We want to save our cash. Like, imagine I went on a losing streak and I lost like $400 today. That would suck, right? Where I could use this $400 risk tomorrow on a bigger day, right? I don't know. Yeah, power hour in 53 minutes. Industry, take away profit. I'll look at it. Right on, brother. Yeah, guys. So pat yourself on the back if you're being disciplined today. I think we did really well. And shout out to Brandy because I almost went on a trade and I almost ripped 5 minis on here, on this thing. That would have been really, really, really bad. Really bad. Peace out, Rosie. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, M5. Yeah, today is not a day to force a trade. Honestly, I think today is a great day to practice discipline and willpower to just stay cash, honestly. 100% M5. And we did that today. So great job. Guys, remember, cash is a position. Alright, guys. I'm going to call it here. Great stream. We didn't take a trade, but I'm pretty happy with it. We had an amazing chat. We were talking with everyone. We're practicing discipline. Hope you guys learned something as well. Even though we didn't take a trade, we had a nice chill stream. Still talked it out. Hope you guys learned something, like I said. But we didn't see a setup. There was no news yesterday or today. We were expecting this choppy range at the top. And I didn't see a setup, so we didn't take it. So we're practicing our discipline and everything. And yeah. So I will see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. 9 a.m. PST. And then we'll also, we'll trade at 11. I mean, I'll be on stream till like 11, 11:30. Maybe even 12. I don't know. We'll see tomorrow. But I'll stay with you guys for FOMC as well. So we'll get a nice 2 to 3 hour stream tomorrow. So yeah. Hey, thank you, Dabda. Yeah, we're forcing discipline, not forcing a trade. We're practicing discipline, all that. All right, peace out, everyone. Thank you, Javier. Thank you, FL. Thank you, Carbo. Thank you, Tayway. Thank you, everybody. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Have a great day. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Today's not the day. So, peace. See you guys tomorrow.